Okay, here we are in the lab, just getting it all set up, and I've got a fresh coat of paint on the tables, so it's nice and clean and easy enough to document. And what you see on the table here is my Model A. The first time it's ever been demonstrated public, or shown, or even spoken of, to a great degree anyways. 12 volt driving battery, just a small one. I think it's 6 amp hour, I think it is. I'm not sure, it might be 10. Can't remember. A circuit board here, basic, some bunch of big transistor resistors on there. I have a heat sink and a fan on this one because they get really hot, which is not a concern right now. I'm getting the motor running right, so for that I have to tune the circuits, which are fun. So we're going to do a demonstration here. Everything's hooked up. This is the control panel, turns everything off and on, and I only have 4 cylinders hooked up, and you can see there's the motor there. There's 8 coils. There's 4 magnets on the rotor in there. This is the IST Mini pulse motor, and I've got magnets on the back. And there's generator coils in here. They're all tri-filler wound, and then some of them have generator coils wound on top on that core as well. And yeah, so there's all output wires. Those are other wires that aren't hooked up, and as well all these. They're all color coded. So okay, so here's a demo. If I turn that on, you can see already my 2 frequency, no motion. So we'll give it a spin. Now that I believe to be the wrong way. You can hear it pick up the firing, spinning the correct direction, and it accelerates much faster. 1 cylinder. And we'll start engaging more. Doesn't really like to pick up the speed until I go 3 cylinders, and then it really likes to take off. And there's 3 cylinders. Now it'll accelerate for a long time, then I'll engage the 4th. So it's gained a fair bit of speed now. We'll keep gaining. We're going to engage the 4th cylinder, and it will continue to accelerate more yet. There's the 4th cylinder engaged. See the board starting to move, starting to actually get lighter in weight. It's almost up to speed now. You can see it's disengage the cylinders. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's turned off. And I can re-engage it and it will catch itself. That's 1 cylinder. 2 cylinders. Three cylinders. Four cylinders. And that's the entire device. I'll turn the 4th cylinder off. You can hear it accelerating. Maybe I'll leave it on, let it wind up to speed a bunch more. Then I'll turn it off and engage it again, and it'll rev up even higher yet. Get really loud here. Maybe not this time. I'll turn it off. The 4th cylinder. And hear it slow down, and I'll turn it on again, and it will wind up faster and higher. Noticeable. Certainly is zooming. Very, very hard to lift that up. You can see underneath, I have a switching disc on the bottom of that, right in here, that's hooked up and spinning along with it with a copper disc on the back that I'm going to use for switching contacts for extremely high mechanical switching, but it works quite well. Spins really fast, and there's outputs on the boards here for the flyback, here and here. Right there you can see there's these wires here coming off. These are meter points, and there's lots of them. But yeah, that's the motor. There's absolutely nothing special about it. Not much to it. It really free floats in between there. It'll oscillate for a long time. Alright, well, thanks for watching.